Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to go through an article where Dr. Chang, who is the Minister of National Security, is telling motorists, pay your tickets now. So just to give you a little background as to what he's talking about, there's a lot of indiscipline on the roads in Jamaica. And the ticket system in Jamaica, it's not working as it should. So a new system is coming in on February 1 with some new laws that basically put things a lot more computerized or digitized, and it's going to have a lot of penalties for persons who don't pay their tickets. So to give you an idea as to what has been going on, there are over 1 million unpaid traffic tickets in Jamaica, and this was up to December last year. Over 1 million unpaid tickets, and persons did not attend court. Warrants were not issued for those million tickets. According to the court system, they were overburdened. They could not write 1 million warrants. You have some people who have over 100 outstanding traffic tickets and they're still driving. The point system to take away their license clearly was not working. So the government, in trying to maintain law and order on the roads, have come with some new road laws, new regulations, and they take effect February 1. So persons who have outstanding traffic tickets come February 1, there are going to be a lot of limitations as to what you can do at the tax office. Really, getting a driver's license, licensing your car. Basically, these new laws, I should say, it's different laws, will have some substance behind them. Well, that's what they say. So let's go through the article and then we discuss it after. Motorists are again being implored to settle outstanding traffic tickets ahead of the February 1, 2023, when the new Traffic Act and regulations take effect. The government's end-to-end digitized ticketing system will also be implemented on that date. As of the 31st of January, you will not be able to hide from being held accountable. Pay your tickets now, implored National Security Minister Honorable Dr. Horace Chang in a statement in the House of Representatives on Tuesday, January 10th. Motorists must be mindful that as of February 1, 2023, traffic enforcement will be efficiently managed by the traffic ticket management system and rogue motorists will not escape prosecution, he said. All information will be readily available to the police officers, who will be outfitted with either a smart check application in their vehicle or the handheld devices. Indisciplined motorists must remember that when they attend court, they are at the discretion of the judge, the minister pointed out. In December, Cabinet arrived at a decision that if motorists paid off their outstanding traffic tickets by the end of January 2023, demerit points will be expunged upon the implementation of the new act. This applies to tickets accrued after February 1, 2018. Take advantage of this window of opportunity that has been provided by the government and pay up your outstanding tickets, Dr. Chang said, while informing that in 2022, some 720,000 tickets were issued by the police. He said that as the drivers become sensitive to the efficiency and effectiveness of the new digitized ticketing system, I expect you will have less road abuse and therefore less tickets. The system, he said, is intended to increase the efficiency of the public safety and traffic enforcement branch officers by ensuring that motorists who break the law receive with immediacy the prescribed consequence. Alright, so that's the end of the article. So basically, come February 1, it's supposed to be a new system, a modern system. So when police stop you and they run your license, they will have access to all the information, your outstanding traffic tickets, whatever you have to do with the demerit points, all of that. So they can take the necessary action. They'll know they'll have a better idea of what's going on. Now, with the new system, the police are going to issue an electronic ticket. They're going to use a handheld device and write the ticket, and they'll print a copy and give you, and they could even email you a copy as well. But that, because the ticket is now electronic, it's going to be linked to the tax office, the courts, everything. So all this information is going to be digitized. And then when you go to the tax office and pay your ticket, it will register on the system, so the police will see the system was paid. The ticket was paid, sorry. If you don't pay your ticket, then you have to go to court. If you don't attend court, an e-warrant will be issued for you. So everything is electronic. It's supposed to work seamless. Supposed to. Let's wait and see. Because that was a major breakdown in the system before. The warrants were not being issued, and when the police stopped somebody, they didn't have any way of getting all the records to see that there were outstanding tickets. But all that has changed now. So the system is supposed to work seamlessly. And also, because of the new traffic laws, tickets can now be issued via cameras. So when you have a camera at a red light and you run the red light, the camera will pick it up, take a picture of the license plate, and send a ticket to whoever the car is registered to. And the person who receives the ticket will not be able to do any business at the tax office. So remember now, the person who receives the ticket is the registered owner of the vehicle. He doesn't necessarily have to be the one driving the car. So this is a major improvement or a step forward for the traffic management system in Jamaica. And these new laws are nothing new. They have been around for many years in other countries. So Jamaica has just updated their laws to allow it to be used here. For example, you run a red light, the camera picks you up, takes a picture, a ticket issued. That technology has been in use for years in a lot of first world countries all over the world. So the technology exists, it's just to get it up and running in Jamaica. But one of the problems was that the Jamaican law did not allow for tickets to be issued like that. So the law has been updated, or a new law passed, and it's part of these regulations that are coming into effect on February 1st, 2023. Also, the fines for certain traffic offenses have increased. We'll do another video outlining some of the new fines before February 1. Alright guys, thanks for having this discussion with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about these new changes coming on the road. Alright guys, have a good day.